Hi everybody, and thank you so much for stopping by my channel today. How are you all doing? So you can tell my base makeup is already done. I feel like a lot of people who are subscribed to me, they see my base makeup all the time, and I don't want to continuously bore you guys, so I just did it off camera, but we can just hop right into the eyes. I will have everything I used on my face down below, so make sure you check the description box to see what I did from foundation, concealer, powder, eyebrows. Everything will be listed down below. So let's get into the video. I'm going to be taking, once again, the beautiful Natasha Denona Metropolis palette. Absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous palette. And I was inspired by these two shades here. Aqueous and Enigma. Right here to make a really pretty blue look. I don't really know exactly how I'm going to do this, but I have like a general idea. So come close. So for a transition shade, I'm going to go in with the shade Rope. It's right here. Sometimes I wish she just had the names on the palette because that little sheet just gets in the way sometimes, but do you, boo, do you. I'm going to take the color Rope on my Morphe M441 brush. I'm going to pat it first and then we're going to blend second. Now I'm going to go in with the shade Enigma. I was playing with these shades last night and I really liked how they applied with the finger. So I'm going to go in with my middle finger. Just take it like this. I'm going to apply it to my lid space. How pretty that is. Oh, that's so pretty. And I'm going to bring it up to my crease. You know what? I'm going to add a little bit more powder underneath my eyes because I know that this shade may spill over. This shade's going to have fallout. Going in with the Morphe M433 brush, I'm going to take it and dip it into Enigma and just further blend that shade up to my crease. I gotta be careful. I got a lot of eyelid space. This could go bad real quick. Let me just clean it up. Now for the shade Aqueous, I tried it with my finger last night and I think I'm gonna do it again with my finger. I'm gonna place it in the middle of my eyelid. That's just gorgeous. I really hope my camera is picking that up. That is absolutely gorgeous. That is pretty. That is so pretty. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this eye off camera. I'm also gonna add lashes. Well, I'm also gonna add mascara and eyelashes, and I'll be right back to finish the look off, okay? This is exactly what happens when you jam out to music while doing your lashes. I messed up my whole left eyelash. But for Thundercat, it's always worth it. Remember that. And we are back. So just in case you guys are curious, these are the Kiss lashes in the style Royal Silk. So for the bottom lash line, I'm going to take the shade Enigma and I'm just going to run it across there using a Morphe M124 brush. I really wish I had a blue, what is it? A blue eyeliner. That would have just set it off. I'm going to take this shade Rope. I'm going to apply it underneath Enigma. Now for inner corner highlight, I'm going to go in with the shade Queen. As as always, are you guys, like, you guys are probably ready. You guys probably already know what I'm about to do. Do you know? Do you know? If you said it, that you're if you said highlight, then you're a real one. Which shade and which brand am I using? Taking the KKW Nude 2 pencil. It's only because I just grabbed it. I'm gonna take my Becca Cosmetics Beach Bum Lip Gloss, which I found out that you can still purchase it, you just have to look for it. You don't have to say it. I'm cute. Well, as always, I thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I hope you had some fun with this look. It is definitely, blue is not a color I naturally gravitate to, but it is something that I need to get back into using color, okay? I can't call myself a makeup artist in training and not use colors. That's just weird to me. Well, as always, I hope you all stay safe, stay happy, and stay hydrated. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.